Remember when science fiction promised us homes of the future? Homes where lights switched on automatically and appliances obeyed our every command? That future is here, and it's called the smart home. Imagine a world where you control your thermostat with your voice, video chat with loved ones on a whim, and keep an eye on your home even when you're miles away. This is the power of smart home technology, and the Amazon Echo Show 10 sits at the forefront of this revolution. It's not just a gadget, it's your digital butler, your entertainment hub, and your window to the world, all rolled into one. But what makes the Echo Show 10 so special? What sets it apart from the crowded field of smart home devices? It all starts with its unique design and innovative features, engineered to make your life easier, more connected, and more entertaining. From its impressive screen to its intuitive voice assistant, the Echo Show 10 is poised to transform the way you interact with your home and the world around you. The Echo Show 10 is not your typical smart display. It boasts a brilliant 10.1-inch HD screen that's a joy to look at, whether you're watching your favorite shows or catching up with family on video calls. But the real showstopper is its ability to move. Yes, you read that right. The Echo Show 10's screen can rotate a full 360 degrees, following you around the room as you move. This means you'll never miss a moment of the action, even if you're multitasking in the kitchen or working out in your living room. It's like having your own personal camera crew, always ensuring you're in the spotlight. And the innovation doesn't stop there. The Echo Show 10 features a 13MP camera with auto framing, ensuring you always look your best on video calls. No more awkwardly adjusting the camera or huddling around a tiny screen. The Echo Show 10 takes care of everything, so you can focus on what matters most, connecting with your loved ones. But the Echo Show 10 is much more than just a pretty face. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to smart home control. With support for Zigbee and Matter devices, setting up and managing your smart home has never been easier. Control your lights, thermostat, door locks, and more with just your voice, or use the intuitive touchscreen interface for even more control. The Echo Show 10 is your command center, putting you in charge of your entire smart home ecosystem. Imagine this. You're in the middle of cooking dinner when your parents call. With the Echo Show 10, you don't have to scramble for your phone or interrupt your flow. Simply say, "Alexa, answer," and the Echo Show 10's impressive 10.1-inch HD screen comes alive, connecting you with your loved ones in an instant. But it's not just about convenience. The Echo Show 10 elevates your video calling experience with its auto-framing 13MP camera, ensuring you're always the center of attention. The camera follows your movements, keeping you in the frame even as you move around the room. And with the Echo Show 10's powerful speakers, you can enjoy crystal clear audio, making it feel like your loved ones are right there in the room with you. Whether it's a quick catch-up or a virtual family dinner, the Echo Show 10 makes staying connected effortless and enjoyable. But the Echo Show 10's talents don't end there. It's also your ultimate smart home control center. Imagine dimming the lights, adjusting the thermostat, or even checking who's at the front door, all with just your voice. With support for Zigbee and Matter devices, the Echo Show 10 seamlessly integrates with a wide range of smart home gadgets, making it easier than ever to create a home that responds to your every need. The Echo Show 10 is not just a smart home hub, it's also your personal entertainment center. Imagine transforming your kitchen counter into a private cinema, catching up on your favorite shows while you cook. Or picture yourself following along with an online yoga class, the instructor always in view thanks to the Echo Show 10's rotating screen. With access to popular streaming services like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and Hulu, the Echo Show 10 offers a world of entertainment at your fingertips. Whether you're in the mood for a Hollywood blockbuster, a binge-worthy TV series, or the latest viral videos, the Echo Show 10 has you covered. And it's not just about video streaming. The Echo Show 10 doubles as a powerful music player with access to millions of songs through Amazon Music, Spotify, Apple Music, and more. Fill your home with high-quality audio thanks to the Echo Show 10's premium speakers, or connect to your existing Bluetooth speakers for a truly immersive audio experience. From podcasts to audiobooks, the Echo Show 10 is your gateway to a world of audio entertainment. Whether you're relaxing at home or hosting a party, the Echo Show 10 sets the mood with your favorite tunes, always ready to entertain.